Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. I know you click on this video is because you want to grow long, thick, full, luscious, beautiful hair. And the oil we're about to make right now will do just that and more. So for this preparation, you will need a blender, just a little tiny one. It doesn't have to be a big blender. And because we're going to need to blend some few things, you will need a jar. It can be a plastic jar or a glass jar. You just have to have a lid that you can close. We are using black cumin seed today. We're using some moringa, and we're going to use chebe. That's all these ingredients are going to be in the description box, and you're going to need clove. So I will go over the properties of all these ingredients. The black cumin seed. So black cumin seed is a scalp soothing ingredient, so it will stimulate your hair follicles, which will help you improve and grow healthy hair. Is also a very key ingredient in prevention of hair loss. So we are going to use 2 tablespoons of that, and I'm going to blend that because I want all the juice out of this seed. The next seed that we will blend together with this black cumin seed will be another ingredient that will help you improve the health of your scalp is clove, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of clove. Clove will give you a very healthy scalp and promote that favorable environment for you to grow healthy hair. It stimulates blood flow into your hair, so it encourages hair growth very much. So I just went ahead and blend this together. It's not quite like very powdery, but it is broken down into small particles. The carrier oil that we'll be using today is avocado oil, and as you can see here, I'm using 100% avocado oil, and I'm also using extra virgin olive oil. So you're gonna grab your container, make sure it's clean and dry, and you are going. So I will be adding oils now. I will add 100 ml of olive oil and 200 ml of the olive oil.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the ingredients into the oil. This is the clove and the black cumin seed that I blended earlier, so I will add that. The next ingredient I will be adding is chebe. Chebe has been known for its property of growing thicker and fuller hair. This is a very nourishing and hydrating ingredient for hair. So as a result, there is less breakage. This product helps you lock in moisture to retain length into your hair. So there is one thing to grow hair, but there is also another to retain that length. If you do not retain the length of the hair you're growing, then there is no hair. You don't see hair growth. The next ingredient I'm adding here is moringa. and I added 2 tablespoons of moringa. Moringa is a very rich vitamin. It has a lot of rich vitamins and minerals, and are very essential in the healthy hair growth journey, because this ingredient is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and zinc. You just can't go wrong with moringa. These nutrients just works together to create. Together, they nourish your hair follicle, strengthen your hair strand, and improve the overall health of your hair. So at this point, I'm just mixing everything together, and I went ahead and add another 100 ml of avocado oil, and I just close the whole thing. You just make it nice and tight and just leave it to sit. And this is 1 week later. I let my oil sip and infuse. I give them time to infuse. And this is 1 week later, 7 days. I let this thing sit for 7 days. You can do it at less time. This is just my preference because I just like all my ingredients to infuse as much as possible in this oil. At this point, you just take it, you make sure you mix it very well together. So at this point, all you need to do is just filter this hair. I'm using this hair net. You can use any, means of, filtering that that will make sure it gets trap all the ingredients inside and just leave you with just the oil. And you just pour the whole thing in there and just let the oil filter down, and you can squeeze it to get all the oil out of the ingredients.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow.
At this point, guys, our oil is ready. You just need to get yourself a container where you're going to pour your oil, and it's just ready to be used. This oil is rich, is potent, is loaded. Guys, don't use this oil if you do not want to grow thick, long hair. If you already have thick, long hair and you use this, it might be hard for you to manage your hair. So please use this oil knowing that it will give you the result. And you just have to be consistent. You want to put this on your scalp and massage it every other day or every day. If you don't use too much, just every day or every other day. And make sure you also put it on your hair strand as well, because this oil is loaded with all the components to keep your hair moisturized and give you the ability to retain that length that you are growing on your scalp. And that is, I just put it in this applicator bottle, and it's ready to be used. You don't have to soak your hair with this oil, just enough to cover your scalp and make sure you massage it throughout your scalp. And you put after your scalp is covered, just make sure you put some also on your hands and go through your hair strand and massage it through your hand strand as well. So guys, go ahead and make this oil, use it for yourself, and come back into my video and comment and just leave me a comment and let me know how it has done some wonders for you, because this will give you result in such a short amount of time if you are consistent with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.